It's my way or no way. And Louis will have to pay for what he just did and for the weather last night. So it's coming. So
Run, Louis,
the
run.
good news is that the bad weather is behind us and the forecast all the way to Vancouver looks great. Unless Louis feels excited again and give us a surprise somewhere in the way. But I'll try to keep him under control. So right now we have easterly winds up to 32 knots and the present air temperature is 20 degrees.
So I came back from the Persian garden, ordered some lunch, and I thought about scoping it after I, ate my cake. Shame. So I just decided to come back and eat lunch. Persian garden was wonderful. I was in bed waiting for my room service, watching the last bit of Game of Thrones from this past Sunday, and I think I'm going to head out to the balcony for a bit. Jason, it's getting so loud in here.
It's Met Gala night. Everyone's celebrating.
Let's see it. So Jason, I'm really excited that we got a ocean window.
I know, I love it.
For sunset. I need your wine glass.
Good.
Jason. Jason. I'm going to cheers it myself. So after dinner cocktails, we're doing karaoke. My favorite. They have almost every night on this ship. It started. Go right ahead.
What you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Want a hot, want a hot, want a hot, want a hot, really, really, really want to take a want a hot, want a hot, want a hot, really, really, really want to take a if you want to be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. You need to ask for no excuses. Everyone at the bar,
say cheese to my boobs.
Okay, let's
say cheese. Say cheese to my boobs, please. another successful night. It is now 3 a.m. with the time change. Closed down the club, and yeah, I'd say that's a pretty solid day. All right, see you in the next vlog. Bye.